This 1.2 billion naira home is making the round on social media, and I'm here to give you a full tour of this 5-bedroom, fully detached home. We actually have 4 units here, but we're going to be touring this so you can see for yourself. We have 5-bedroom, comes with a cinema, comes with a pool, spacious living area, has a rooftop terrace. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, you want to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and let me know what you think of this home. Welcome home. Okay, so this is the exterior of this home. The car park space is quite generous. This can take up to 6 cars, if not more. So this is quite a spacious car park space. Then you've got greeneries over here. So this is the home. You see your architectural design, your clouding on the facade, and you've got a lot of glass windows enabling natural light and ventilation. So let me take you through the exterior just before we head inside. So the walkway is quite generous, like it's spacious. And the finishing, I must say, is also beautiful. And I love that they didn't use the normal white colors. I mean, this is off-white. So still on the exterior, have your boys quarters here. It's locked, but that's where your boys quarters is. So this is like your water treatment area where you can pump your water and have clean water. So this is where we have the pool. So this is the pool area. So this is your pool area. And I also like the fact that there is still enough walkway, without the pool obstructing people just passing through here. Alright, so let's head right inside. So this house over here is the gateman house, right? So that's where you have your gateman house alongside the generator. But of course, you can go solar. So this is the angle from here. So we can go inside. So when you step inside, you have this door that welcomes you home. And of course, it has a biometric. It's got a biometric. So when you go inside the home, by my left, you have your visitor's room here. So this is where your visitor's room is. That's your wardrobe. And this is your ensuite bathroom. So this is your walk-in shower. Okay. So let's go further into the tour. Still by my left, you have your powder room. This is your powder room. And welcome to the primary living area. This is your primary living area. I can already imagine this home being staged. And you have so this is your smart system here that controls the home. Then you have your floor to ceiling. And you've got your lights just right there. Okay. So that's your floor to ceiling TV console. Trying to pull back so you can see the primary living area. And I absolutely love the spiral staircase with sensor lights. Okay. So this is what we have here for the primary living area. So let me still pull back. So this can serve as your dining area. This can serve as your dining area. And you have a glass sliding door just right here that leads you also to the pool area. Okay, so that's your pool area. This is your dining section. And that's your primary living area. Amazing, amazing. Okay, let's step right into one of my favorite parts of the home, the kitchen. Yeah. So this is the kitchen. This is a beautiful kitchen. So I'm showing you the detail. You've got your washing machine over here. I love how simple and minimalistic this home looks. You have your 5 burner gas cooker. You have your heat extractor. And you have your water tap here. Okay. Okay. I also have compartments. And right here you have your double door freezer. And of course they are embedded into the, see what I mean? So that's your oven, your microwave, your double door freezer. And still here, see this door? Still here is where you have your pantry, okay? So this is your pantry. All right, let me know what you think of this home. This kitchen is absolutely beautiful. The women will agree with me. And this door leads you to the backyard. So let's go upstairs. So I absolutely love this spiral staircase here with sensor lights. So let's go over to the first floor. Let's see what we have there. So coming upstairs, you can see the beauty of this chandelier here, and you can have access downstairs also. Let's take a look at this room here. So far, so good. What do you think of this home? This is where you have your walk-in closet. Over here, this should be your restroom, but it's locked. Still showing you this home from here, and you can have access to the balcony. So this is the balcony. I like that the balcony is actually high, you know, it's high. So this is your neighborhood. And we also have buildings, you know, springing up in this corner. I like that this is high. So in case you have kids, you know that whenever they come here, they are safe. Okay, I think enough of this room. Let's go to the other rooms. You have this beautiful so this is your secondary living area. So you can just set up chairs, pull up your TV. And we have two rooms here as well. So on the first floor, um, we have three rooms on the first floor. On the ground floor, we have one. So on the last floor, that's where the masters will be. Okay. This is what we have here. You have your walk-in closet just right here. Okay, so far so good. There's a lot of intentionality that went into building this home, right? So I'm pulling back so you can see how long the room is. So this is what we have here. The ensuite bathroom is here. Ooh. That's your walk-in shower. So you have another room right here. The rooms are spacious. Have your closet here. And you also have your ensuite bathroom. And you have your walk-in shower. All right. I think we can go upstairs. So let's go upstairs. So when you come to the last floor, so this is the cinema room. Is yet to be furnished. So this is what the cinema room looks like. So this is the restroom that anybody here, but it has a rooftop terrace. So if anybody is using the rooftop terrace, they can have access to this bathroom. This should be the masters. Okay, before we take a look at the masters, let me show you the rooftop terrace. We also have another, living area here that you can set up something. And you've got your rooftop terrace here. This is your rooftop terrace. Can host your family, your friends. And you also have this space right here. Beautiful. So far so good. I love the materials that was used to build this home, from the finishing to the choice of tiles to the color. I mean, there is a lot of intentionality that went into building this home. Okay. So this is your neighborhood. Like I said, I like that this is high. So you and your kids, you are safe. So this is your neighborhood. Your neighborhood. Okay, so let's go see the masters, and with that, we are done with this house tour. So when you go further here, this is where we have the masters. Okay. There's always extra efforts with the master's bed. Okay. So let me show you in detail. Have your TV console. Okay. So you have a kitchenette here as well. Okay. Over here you have your walk-in closet. And this is your ensuite bathroom. You've got your bathtub with a window overlooking, your neighborhood. And this is what we have here. That's your walk-in shower. You have to sink. And there's another entrance here and there's another entrance here. Okay, so you have option. Okay, so far so good. What do you think of this home? You have your balcony just here and it spans just through here. All right. So let me know, what do you think of this home priced at 1.1 billion naira in Lekki Phase 1? And yes, in the heart of Lekki Phase 1. Okay. So let me know what you think of this project. If you would like to view this, my number will be in the description. Every detail about this one will be in the description as well. Do well to go through it and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.